In this video, I want to talk about mastering braiding techniques and why you should master them. So the first reason is really because knowing braiding in your salon sets you apart from other stylists. It gives you a skill that a surprising amount of stylists don't actually know how to do. Most know how to do a 3-strand braid or maybe even a fishtail, but then if you talk about a reverse fishtail or a reverse French braid or a Dutch braid, they don't know how to do it, or they could try to figure it out, but they would struggle and take a while to figure it out. So if you can just pull these out of your back pocket and know them, they will come in handy in a lot of ways, especially styling for updos. So that's an area that you're interested in, is updos. Braids are incredible for adding this whimsical element to an updo, and also taking, if someone has a lot of hair, being able to easily manage a lot of hair without feeling overwhelmed with the amount of hair they have. And even for short styles, sometimes it can be hard to do a lot with a short style because there's just not much to work with. So you need to be able to work with braiding elements to give texture and a level of interest to the hair without it just being pulled back tight. So there's so many ways that braiding comes into play, but it's really one of those skills that I feel like every client thinks that we're supposed to be amazing braiders. And to be honest, nobody really teaches us how to braid. Most beauty schools, especially mine, never taught me how to braid. If I wanted to learn it on my downtime, I could, and I could practice there, but no one taught me. And once I was in a salon, my fellow coworkers didn't know how to braid. So again, I would have to practice on a doll head in my own time to learn how to braid. So it's something that will really set you apart, and your clients expect you to know how to do this. So you never want to be put in a situation where your client says, can you do this braid? I want you to do this, and you don't know how to do it. So it's a very important skill to master, and it can raise the value of your services. So I never put a braid in my client's hair without charging more money. So even if it's just a little piece, I will charge for that. If it's a half updo, I will charge for that. So it's a way to really quickly add money to your weekly revenue. So I hope with all that information, it encourages you to master braiding and incorporate it into your daily salon life and definitely your upstyling.